Alright guys, welcome back to another race night with the Orange Track Outlaws. We got our big bin of fast cars. We're going to pick another 36 and see who's going to get their shot at our new number one. Let's dive right in. I'm taking this yellow car right here out of the chute. It's that Ford GTX1. Nice looking car. Sweet. Roll on. Just upside down. That's a good looking car. Was that the Pagani? Yeah. Alright, moving along here. What's this guy? Ooh, the Mercedes. Alright, what's next here? We got the Sheriff car. What is that thing? 99 Mustang Sheriff car. There you go. Alright, how about here? Looks like we got an old Mustang. Little Mustang fastback. Good looking car. Alright. What do we got here? What do we got here? Ooh, I think we got the red Lamborghini Stoke. The orange one's fast. Let's see what the red one can do. Alright, that's 6. Oh, let's dive in here. What do we got? Then we got Crescendo. Yeah, it's a fast car, usually. Glow wheels, sweet. What's this guy right here? We got Ford Escort, Hot Wheels Race Team. Let's run it. How about right here? What we got here? Fast Feline. All right. Keep going. What's this white one? Ooh. Is that the Lamborghini? Oh no, that's the Acura. Acura NSX Concept. Oh, alright. Good car. There we go. Ooh, is that the Ferrari F50? Kinda hard to tell. It is. It's a Ferrari F50. Nice purple sparkle paint job on there. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, looks like we got ourselves a 68 Mustang Fastback. That's pretty sweet. One of my faves. Alright, moving on. We got here an old Camaro. Camaro with some side pipes. Like it. Digging in. Oh, we got ourselves another Mustang. A lot of Mustangs in here. I wonder why. That's a sweet car. Alright, keep going. Digging in here. What's this guy? Oh, here we go. That's mean. It's mean. Let's see if she's fast. What we got here? What we got here? Oh, got some FTE wheels. What do they call this guy? Man, these are hard to read. Oh, retroactive with the FTE. All right. This guy right here. We got the Dodge. Looks like a Dodge Challenger. That's a pretty nice paint job there. All right. Digging in, digging in. Oh, is that a newer Charger? Yep. Pretty cool. All right, halfway there. What we got here? Another Mustang GT. What we got down here? What is that? BMW? All right. How about this red guy right here? That's pretty sweet. All right. How about this car? Big old wing on it. That thing looks fast. Let's see if he races as good as he looks. Celica. Pikes Peak Celica. moving on. Oh, here we go. Got the old Hershey's funny car. I know this one's been in a lot of races. It's a fast one. Look for him in the finals. Calling it now. Oh, here we go. An old hot rod with a big old motor on it. Big old pipes on the side. Let's see how fast that guy is. All right, we need about 12 more. Start with this guy. Ford Mustang Hot Wheels race team. What do we got here? Oh, we got some red line wheels. Looks like a Chevy Nova. Cool paint job. Alright. We got him down here hiding. Look at this little roadster. Alright, let's see if he's got it. Moving on here. There's a good little exotique. Again over here. Looks like we got another Solar. Those are usually quick. Against the wall over here. What do we got? Oh, we got another Ford Mustang. Nice looking paint job there. A lot of Mustangs in this batch. Alright. Looks like we only need a couple more here. Again. Oh, here we go. I think that's ballistic. I think this one's quick. What we got here? Oh, this is a sweet looking Porsche. Big old wing, blue wheels. That's a nice looking car. I like it. Digging in. Let's go deep. Oh, here we go. We got the stock car. Hot Wheels race team stock car. And here. Oh, here we go. Another one of these open wheel racers. Those are quick. Should be good. What do we get down here? What is this guy? How's this in here? Look at them bling wheels. I wonder how quick that thing is. Alright, let's go with this guy. Another Sheriff ride. Nissan. Alright, I got 12, 24, 36 of them here. Here's our cars. Alright, let's put them on the track and run them. Let's go. Okay, our first race is up and ready. Lane 1, we've got the purple Ferrari F50. In lane 2, we've got the 68 Mustang Fastback. In lane 3, we've got the Fast V-Line. In lane 4, we've got the Mercedes AMG GT. In lane 5, we got the Exotique. And in lane 6, we got Retroactive. Who you like? Oh, that F50 sweet. I'm gonna have to go with that 68 Mustang though. Let's race. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, that F50 smoked him. Alright, next race is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the red Lamborghini Stoke. Lane 2, we got the Pikes Peak Celica. Lane 3, we got the T-Bucket Hot Rod. Lane 4, we got the 2015 Charger SRT. In lane 5, we got the Ford Bronco Concept. In lane 6, we got the 65 Mustang Fastback. Who you liking here? I know my orange Lambo Stoke's fast, so let's go with lane 1, the red one. See what it's got. Let's race. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. 65 Mustang. Smoked him.
Lane 6.
Oh, look at that. 65 Mustang. Smoked him.
Lane 6.
cars are in the starting line. Lane 1, we got the 08 Challenger SRT8. Lane 2, we got the Subaru Impreza WRX with the open wheels. In lane 3, we got the Hot Wheels Ballistic. In lane 4, we got the Mustang Mach 1. Lane 5, we got the Camaro Z28. In lane 6, we got the Skull Crusher. I think I'm going to go with that Subaru Impreza with the open wheels. I think the Ballistic, though, has a good shot. Let's find out. Let's race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that skull! Wow! That thing looked great. Oh, look at that skull! That thing looked great. All right, moving along. Next race is ready. Lane 1, we got the Porsche 934.5. Lane 2, Ford GTX1. Lane 3, Pagani Hyra. Lane 4, 2010 Mustang GT. Lane 5, we got the Impala stock car. And lane 6, we got the 2010 Shelby Super Snake Mustang. I don't know. I think I'm liking that Ford GTX1. I know the white one with the FTE wheels is real fast. Let's see if this yellow one's got it. Let's race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, stock car's out. He's got it.
Winner, lane 5.
Oh, stock car's out. He's got it.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, moving right along. Lane 1, we got the 2012 NSX Concept. Lane 2, we got the Nissan Z. In lane 3, we got the Mustang Mach 1. In lane 4, we got the 99 Mustang. In lane 5, we got the Crescendo. And in lane 6, we got the Solaire. Who do you like? I think I'm going with lane 5 with that Crescendo. It's a sleeper. Let's race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Solaire's up. Oh, look at that Mustang's out big.
Winner, lane 4.
Oh, Solaire's up. Oh, look at that Mustang's out big.
Winner, lane 4.
Okay, last race of the semis. Now lane 1, 68 Nova. Lane 2, BMW M3. Lane 3, 70 Ford Escort. In lane 4, we got the Track T. In lane 5, we got the Ford Torino. And lane 6, the one y'all been waiting for, the Hershey Funny Car. I know y'all probably think that funny car is going to run away with it. I kind of do too. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, funny car. Oh, the BMW was close, but the funny car took it.
Lane 6.
Oh yeah, funny car. Oh, the BMW was close, but the funny car took it.
Lane 6.
Okay, here's our finals race, ready to go. I'm pretty excited about this one. We got a good group of cars here. Lane 1, we got the Skull Crusher. Lane 2, the Hershey's Funny Car. Lane 3, the 99 Mustang. In lane 4, we got the Ferrari F50. In lane 5, we got the 65 Mustang Fastback. And lane 6, we got the Impala stock car. I don't know who to take here. This could be anybody's game. But since I'm a Mustang homer, I'm going with the Mustang. But this should be a good race. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, finals time. Who's it going to be? 3, 2, 1. Mustang's out. Impala's out. Oh, the funny car come back. Look at that.
Lane 2.
Mustang's out. Impala's out. Oh, the funny car come back. Look at that.
Lane 2.
Okay, the race for the top spot. The Hershey Funny Car gets his chance. In lane 1, the Hershey Funny Car. In lane 2 is our current champ, the Firebird Funny Car. In lane 5, we got the orange Lambo Stoke. In lane 6, we got the Ferrari F40 Black. This should be a good race. Hard to tell who's going to get it. Let's race. Okay, Hershey Funny Car versus the fastest. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that black Ferrari's out. Wow, smoked him.
Winner. Lane 6.
Wow, that black Ferrari's out. Wow, smoked him.
Winner. Lane 6.
Well, what do you know? The black Ferrari F40 back on top. The Firebird Funny Car didn't make it very long, but at least he was up there. But here's our current champ. Hershey Funny Car couldn't get it done. I would like to thank you guys again for watching my races. Got a lot more to go. Please check out my customs. Check out my restorations. Please hit that subscribe button. Like, share, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. See you next time. See you.